Imagine a 25 centimeters ant writhing at your feet. Would you run, or would you stare into the eyes of that monstrous creature? The thought alone sends shivers down your spine, but this isn't just a scene from a sci-fi flick. It's a question that probes the edges of evolutionary biology. On this planet you stand upon, why would an ant grow to such a freakish size? First, an insect's size is tied to oxygen levels. 300 million years ago, during the Carboniferous period, the air was 35% oxygen, far richer than today, allowing dragonflies to spread wings as wide as eagles and centipedes to slither as long as your thigh. Oxygen flows directly to an insect's cells through tubes, but as their bodies grow, this system hits a wall. Now, what if oxygen levels spiked again, or ants evolved something like lungs? A 25 centimeters ant isn't impossible. You might hear them tunneling, their jaws grinding through dirt with a sickening scrape. Second, consider their hive mind. Ants already act like a superorganism, millions moving as one. If their brains scaled up with their size, you wouldn't face mere bugs, you'd confront an organized army. Biologically, ant neurons are efficiency incarnate. A 1 milligram brain makes complex decisions. Picture that brain 100 times larger. They could surround your house with military precision, eyeing your pantry. Thrilling? Hell yes. This isn't just about size, it's an explosion of intelligence. Third, these giant ants would upend ecosystems. Ants already make up 10% of Earth's biomass, churning soil and spreading seeds as nature's architects. At 25 centimeters, they'd rival deer or wolves, rewriting the food chain. Your backyard would no longer be safe, they'd topple trees and raise your garden to rubble. Fourth, their physiology screams chemical warfare. Ants use pheromones and acidic secretions to communicate and attack. Bigger bodies mean deadlier payloads. Breathe near their army, and their fumes might burn your lungs. Scientifically, formic acid makes even tiny ants lethal. Now imagine it sprayed from a creature a sixth of your height. Finally, this all stems from environmental pressure. Climate change, radioactive mutations, or human bioengineering could birth these monstrosities. You don't have time to cower. These ants are already spinning on evolution's roulette wheel. So what will you do? When a 25 centimeters ant knocks on your door in this new world, will you grab a weapon to crush them, or try to learn their language? The choice is yours, but one thing's certain: this planet isn't just yours anymore. Choose and face what comes next.